QC Fence Contractors in Matthews, North Carolina specializes in security fence installations, providing robust, high-quality fencing solutions designed to keep properties safe and secure. We provide durable, stylish fencing options in steel, wrought iron, and vinyl, expertly designed with advanced technology to enhance security and complement any residential, commercial, or industrial space. Call our security fence installations today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a security fence installation near me? You can stop looking. You found QC Fence Contractors. What types of materials are best for security fences? The most popular materials for security fences are steel, wrought iron, and vinyl due to their strength and durability. Each material has unique benefits. Steel and wrought iron are ideal for high security needs, while vinyl is low maintenance and versatile. What additional features enhance security for my fence? Adding anti-climb designs, barbed wire, and automatic gates can improve your fence's security. For high-risk areas, electronic access controls or surveillance integration can provide an extra layer of protection. What is your service area for Matthews, North Carolina fencing office? Our security fence installation serves the following North Carolina locations: Matthews, Weddington, Unionville, Fairview, Mint Hill, Carmel, Lansdowne, Marshbrook, Stallings, Providence Estates East, Allen, Mineral Springs, Waxhaw, Marvin, Cotswold, North Carolina. Where is your Matthews, North Carolina security fence installation office located? We are located at 1811 Sardis Road North number 207A, Charlotte, North Carolina 28270. Our phone number is 704-271-9061. Visit our website www.qcfencecontractors.com/Matthews-North-Carolina-Fence-Installation-Repair-Contractor.